My people, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you are a returning cubby, then you should be liking the channel. I'm DesieBear. Join the Cub House. So in today's video, we're going to be doing week 2. So with this Reactober thing, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to give y'all Monday through Friday videos, 2 videos a day, a whole week. Well, that would be the week. So 2 videos a day, Monday through Friday. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. We're going to be doing 12 crazy doorbell camera clips. And this video is by Novella. I don't know about y'all, but having these Ring doorbells, you see some crazy stuff. And luckily people do have them because a lot of crime has been getting caught. So let's check it out.
Doorbell cameras are becoming more and more popular, with Ring cameras being the most trendy. It activates when the doorbell senses a visitor with its built-in motion sensors. The smart doorbell lets the homeowner use a smartphone app to watch the visitor by using the doorbell's infrared camera. Here are some of the craziest things caught on doorbell cameras. Number 12. In this clip, a man goes off on his neighbor, who didn't clean up after her dog.
Stop letting your dog shit on our lawn!
Clean up your dog poop. Excuse me, ma'am. Hey, you, clean up your dog poop.
That is so
Stop
rude.
letting
Like,
your
who
dog
does
poop on
that?
my lawn.
If you are one of those neighbors that allows your animal to use it on other people's yards, you deserve hell.
I
Nothing
have
but
you on
hell.
video. Come pick up this nice pile of shit that your dog left in my yard. I've been
Right
waiting for
now.
you for 2 days. You. Disgusting. Disgusting. Look at
Who
it.
does shit
I have
like that?
children here. That's your
Who
dog.
does that?
Please pick it up. This will be every day. I will watch you every day. I have you on video. Pick up after
Get
your
her
dog.
ass.
Please pick up after your dog. Please pick up after your dog. Thank you for picking up the feces from my yard. I appreciate it greatly. Greatly appreciate it. Please leave my yard. You're trespassing. Get off my yard, you and your dog. Thank you very much.
I know
Thank
how
you
annoying this
for being
must
a
be for the
courteous
neighbors.
neighbor. Thank you for picking
But
up
I
your
would do
dog
that.
feces, ma'am.
A
Thank
megaphone,
you.
bitch, blur.
Number 11.
Blur
Guy
the whole
shoots
neighborhood-
himself
the
in the
whole
leg
neighbor
while trying to
motherfucking
break
head, bitch.
into a house. That's what I call instant karma. Number 10. Here you can see a mother who tries to shoot a dog but accidentally shoots her son instead.
Bruno! Bruno, get over here, Bruno! Bruno, get over here, Bruno!
She does what?
Bruno, get over here, get inside!
Wait. Hold the fuck on. Bitch, what was you doing? Why are you shooting a gun at a child near you? America. I'm sorry to say it, but y'all are losing it.
She was charged with deadly conduct with a firearm, and the dog owner was issued a citation for allowing his dog out unleashed, a 6-month-old boxer puppy. Thankfully, the little 5-year-old boy survived. Why is it so
He
easy
was
to get
5?
firearms in the US when no one there seems to know how to handle one? Number 9. Neighbor is angry because he wasn't invited to the party.
Your new neighbor. If you have a party that big again, I'm calling the cops. It's
This
too
is
loud to
a
not be a
TikTok
part of
video.
that. You invite me next time. Think of the damn neighbors.
Number 8. In this clip, some guys try to get their married friend out, and it's hilarious.
Hey, fucker,
This-
you've been ignoring our phone calls. You've only been married a week. This is
the
bullshit.
same guy.
You're coming out with us tonight. Every Tuesday with us. It's $2 Tuesday. Come on. We don't have to tell her. We'll be back by 4. See if it's unlocked.
Get the fuck out of here.
What's up, fucker? I know you're at work, but you don't answer any of our calls or texts anymore, so now I'm just gonna keep showing up and talking to this stupid camera. But you have already missed last week. Sunday, fun day, messy
are
Monday,
true
$2
friends.
Tuesday, wing Wednesday, Thursday. You are not fucking up on Friday. And I found Jalen. He was laying in the fucking ditch by the bar. But you wanna come in, we'll remove you from this house. I promise you that. Oh, and I'm keeping your skeleton for being a dickhead. I brought you your skeleton back.
Asshole.
We did lose the leg. We took him to the bar last night. We acted like it was you. Things got out of hand. Come on, marriages only last a couple years. Friendships last forever. Don't mess this up. There's only one person in this world that you listen to, and that's your
That's not
grandmother.
true.
I called her.
Honey, you do need to go out with the boys.
Listen to your Mimi.
Number 7.
Jima.
This guy was in the middle of something when cops showed up to his house, and it was very awkward. Take a look for yourself.
Hey, wait.
How would you like to start investing in real estate using none of your own cash or credit while working a full-time job, investing in properties that look
Who-
just like this?
Right
Who
there.
allowed ads
Right-
to be on
right there.
YouTube? Let me stop
Okay,
complaining.
well, I need to see your hand. Okay, come on.
Close the door.
Sorry.
What's your name?
My name.
Okay, where's Silva?
He's not here at the moment. He drives a bus there.
Okay, why are you like that?
Because I was literally in the middle of something.
Ha!
You put your hands down. What's going on?
You mind your business. What I was doing. Oh,
Well, we're here because Silva is supposedly in the house.
No, he's not. He drives a Mustang. He is my roommate, but he told me he went out for a drive.
And do you know where he's at?
y'all are really interrupting this man while
I
he
just talked to him on my phone.
spreading
Number
the peace.
6. Amazon worker gets poked by
If
a
you're not
cactus.
in release, you're not spreading the
Oh my god.
peace.
No. Oh no.
If you know what I mean.
No.
If you're a guy, you should know what I mean.
Oh my god. No. No. Oh god. Oh. That's cool.
Wait, let me go back.
God. No.
Sorry guys, I was not paying attention.
Number 6. Amazon worker gets
Oh,
poked by a
cactus.
cactus.
Oh my god. No. Oh no. What the hell? No. Oh my god.
Mm,
My god. No.
look at the brakes.
Oh god.
Oh, right in the ass. In the ass.
That's cool. That's.
You ever got poked in the ass?
Oh god. Sorry. Oh.
Pause.
Oh, that's in there. No. No. Oh. No. No.
He's gonna have a shitty day.
Yep, that happens.
Man, I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and I've been pricked by a cactus before. So I feel your pain. Amazon, do y'all pay this much for that shit?
Alright.
Number 5. In this doorbell camera clip, a Florida man was caught on camera licking the doorbell.
And this is how the 19 started. People going around licking fucking cameras. Who? and delivering telephone books. Like, what? Hello? Wipe the spit off your fucking face. I just hope to hell that
Number
these people got
4.
up the next
Here's
day and
another
sanitized their
creep
camera.
licking the doorbell outside a random house.
Is this a fucking thing? Is this real? People do this. People do this. This is questionable. And he is really enjoying it.
Number 3. In this clip, a mother with a stroller goes crazy at a driver in Toronto who nearly hit her.
This bitch decides to go around her. Take that bitch out of the car and whip her ass. I'm worried for the world. What? Not with the instant replay. That's when you was supposed to right that motherfucking window. Right into the window. Lady, your baby is in the middle of the fucking street. Get it.
Number 2. This guy must be a Disney princess.
Squirrels don't attack people?
Number 1. This Ring doorbell camera captures a man jumping out of a moving car.
Was he kidnapped? Who does? I'm sorry to say it, but I am losing faith in humanity. What the hell? Bitch!
Thank you for watching Novella. Make sure to check out these.
Hold on. Is there something that is there something going on in the world that I don't know about? Y'all see these weird ass videos? People licking doorbells, people jumping out of cars, people licking cameras, like, oh. I don't understand what's going on in the world. Maybe it's me. Do y'all do this shit? Is this normal for y'all? Anyway, I'm giving y'all 4 videos today because I've been behind on Reactober. I didn't do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'm gonna give y'all 4 videos today. Tomorrow, might give y'all 3, maybe 4. Then Sunday, give y'all 2 more since I missed this week. But I'm glad you guys stayed in. If you laughed, I'm sure you fucking laughed. So like the video, subscribe to the channel to become a cubby. You can be in the cub house. I'm going to be here. I'm going to serve y'all more material. It's inevitable. I'm going to be back. And you're going to subscribe and love it. You wanna know why? Because this is your channel. This is my channel. This is our channel. So no matter if you're new here, you grew here, or you flew here, make sure you come back here. I'm DesieBear. I'm out.